Whose number is this? Hello?
Is this Daniel?
Yes?
I am calling from the fraud department of EBC Bank.
Uh-huh.
We've detected a suspicious transaction. Did you recently make a $15,000 payment to an overseas merchant?
Huh? No, I didn't.
Your account has been flagged for fraudulent transactions. An investigation is underway. We may have to freeze your account.
Huh? Wait. Okay, what do I have to do now?
We will need to escalate this to the police. Please hold on the line and I'll transfer you.
Okay.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Sorry. I'm here.
This is Inspector Lau from the police. Look, I'm not going to repeat myself again. You are suspected to be involved in a cross-border money laundering case.
But I didn't do anything.
This is very serious.
How can I prove it? You can ask anyone.
Sir, listen. Let me make this very clear to you. You are under investigation, and if you discuss this case with anyone, it will hinder our investigations.
But
You may end up in jail. Do you understand?
yes, but...
Hey, do you want to go to jail?
No, it's not me. Wait, hello?
Sir, I'm here to help you. But you must follow what I say.
Okay, what must I do?
To assist with investigations, you must transfer your money to this safety account. The money will be returned to you after investigations are completed. Hello? You still there?
Yes.
Have you made the transfer? And I need you to proceed and make the transfer now.
Wait, I'm doing...
Once the transaction is complete, we will begin investigations to clear your name. I need you to cooperate with me. You understand?
Wait, this is a lot of money.
Sir, you need to transfer now. Do you hear me?
I'm not sure. Let me call back.
No, sir, you cannot hang.
Hi, thank you for calling Scapture Helpline. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm unsure and would like to check if this is a scam.
Fire at all costs.
Cheryl, I'm so happy. I just made profits from the trader I told you about.
Wow, so he's legit?
100%. I wasn't sure at first when I was randomly added to the chat. But his investment group got so many members.
Really?
I see from their convos and screenshots that they have invested and made money. I myself made money too. It's so easy and you make money fast. Just have to invest at the right time for more than 100% returns. Oh yeah, let me show you something.
What?
The money is literally in my account.
Really?
Start small like me. Remember? Fire!
Oh, okay, add me in.
Okay, I'll add you now.
Invest within this hour. Wow, the returns are really good. Okay lah, let's do this. Just try only, right? Start small lah. Fire!
package did you buy? I got a gold package. I put in $5,000 and got back $60,000.
I got the silver package.
Huh? You only bought the minimum $500. Then you only earn $3,000. Don't worry, there's always next time. Anyway, money is money. Cheers! Fire!
Fire! Wow, I really missed out leh. She made so much more than me.